On the market for some awesome gaming mice that won't break the bank and save you a buttload of cash? Well, today's video, you are in luck. We are checking out two different types of gaming mice by EKSA, and they will not break the bank while also giving you all the performance that you need. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. For today's episode, we have two different gaming mice models by EKSA. We have the EM100 and the EM200 to review. And of course, we have all of our links and details to these gaming mice located in the description. So you can get both of these mice for an outstandingly great price, and they have all the performance you need for gaming and much more. So let's get them out of the box and try them out. Okay, so we have the EM100 gaming mouse along with the EM200 customizable gaming mouse. Both of them by EKSA. So let's get the 100 out of the box and then we'll get the 200 out. So first thing, we have some paperwork. On out. Here we go. Here's the mouse, wrapped in some nice padding. Oh yeah, this is a nice looking mouse. Feels real nice, real sturdy. The buttons feel real good. The wheel feels really nice. It's got your buttons in the center. You have two buttons on the side. You don't have any on the other side. And then you have your laser on the bottom. So this is the 100 gaming mouse. That's what you get out of the box. So let's move over to the 200. I'm sure it would be just about the same thing. We'll have our paperwork, nothing else in the box. Right here, oh, we have a top. This one has a red cable. I like that. I like the red cable. I like the white and black scheme of it too. We also have an extra top, which is magnetic. Oh, it is. With some weights underneath. Nice. So you can pull the weights out there, weigh it down, so it won't be so light. I actually really enjoy mice with weights in them. I used to use them a lot back in the day, and it's been a minute since I've had one, so this is definitely a plus. You have two buttons in the center, red scheme. Two buttons on the side, also a red scheme. And then black and white. Of course, you could change that to all white and red if you want. I like the black accent. The bottom is black and the cable is red. So this is everything you get in the boxes for these gaming mice. Let's try them out, play some games, do some productivity, and see what we think about them. The EM100 looks really nice lit up, and it has a great feeling in your hand while using it. You get 6 quick changeable DPI settings with the DPI button, as well as 6 adjustable light modes. The DPI ranges from 800 to 8000 DPI, and with the downloadable drivers, you can fine-tune the mouse to your exact personal preference. In the software, you have an office mode and a gaming mode. The noticeable difference is in the office mode, the button 5 is for LED modes, versus the gaming mode, it turns into a DPI down button. This allows you to use the 4th and 5th buttons as speed increase and decrease quicker than the DPI loop setting in office mode. But of course, if you like to customize the buttons to your own setup, it can be done super easily in each mode, making it your own workflow. You also have macros available if you like to use macros, along with some more mouse settings that's pretty detailed in the advanced tab. So far the usage has been great and it's been handling any task that I've thrown at it. And I really dig the look it puts off. With its chroma RGB backlighting, it fits the desktop very nicely with the all black and RGB backlights. The EM200 is also a pretty slick looking mouse. But it's got a bit more performance, and that's what I like about it. This will work up to 12,000 DPI with superior tracking settings to give you that extra bit of gaming performance. Not to mention you have the weights inside that allows you to adjust the weight of the mouse to help give you more accuracy in FPS shooters, or just to get that heavier feel that you prefer. I myself do prefer a heavier mouse, so the weights being inside is a huge bonus for me. Plus, the changeable tops is a nice feature, letting you match your other gear's color schemes, but I do really dig the red and white look with the RGB chroma in the background. I think it accents the chroma LED lighting very well, and with the red buttons really putting that pop out on my desk. It's also loaded with some nice driver software, letting you take complete control of the mouse settings, as well as customize what the buttons do for your personal gaming style. The performance tabs let you get all the advanced settings dialed in, as well as having the LED and macro tabs too. My opinion, both of these mice work extremely well and have excellent performance without breaking the bank. Whether it's gaming, editing, or just surfing the web, these mice have been handling any application I've thrown at it and is super comfortable in long-term use. That being said, they are absolutely killing it and I have been extremely happy with them. I would definitely recommend taking a look if you would like to. We have our links and details to both of these models located in the description. I would also like to give a big thanks to EKSA for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. If you found it helpful, then be sure to give this video a like and get in the comments letting us know which out of these two mice you would prefer. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.